Okay, so today we are going to be looking at pedestrian crossings. So I've parked up as close as I can to a crossing so you can see it nicely. So we've got an uncontrolled crossing. So we have two types, controlled and uncontrolled. There is only one type of uncontrolled, that is a zebra crossing. Made famous by the Beatles, which was a long time ago. They've been around a long time. Pelican crossings, puffin crossings, equestrian crossings have all come in since then. So this is the original pedestrian crossing. So they're everywhere in this day and age. Pedestrian crossings, you find them in town centres, near schools, just off roundabouts, annoyingly sometimes. There's side roads, all over town you'll find them. If you go back 25, 30 years, you'll find that there wasn't as many places to cross the road as there are now. So as a driver, you have got to be on the ball and be aware that people may use them, they may not use them, and you've got to identify what's going on. So the features of a zebra crossing, as you can see, there's two beacons, right, just